Today, we're discussing a topic crucial for anyone in the trucking industry, trucking compliance. If you're a truck driver or run a trucking business, you're no stranger to the intricate rules set by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. But don't worry, we're here to simplify things for you. First off, what is trucking compliance? At its core, it's about following the rules and regulations that keep our roads safe and ensure that trucking operations are efficient. From hours of service to vehicle maintenance and driver qualifications, there are many areas you need to stay on top of. Let's kick things off with hours of service. This regulation is all about the time drivers spend behind the wheel. It limits the number of hours you can drive and mandates rest periods to prevent fatigue. These rules are vital for safety but can be a headache to manage. Thankfully, FMCSA Registration.com can help you navigate these requirements with ease. Next, let's talk about vehicle maintenance. Regular inspections, repairs, and upkeep are not just good practices, they're required by law. Ensuring your trucks are roadworthy keeps you compliant and prevents costly breakdowns. Remember, a well-maintained truck is a safe truck. Driver qualifications are another big piece of the compliance puzzle. This includes everything from having a valid commercial driver's license to passing medical exams. Keeping up with these requirements ensures that only qualified individuals are operating your vehicles. Now, let's touch on the importance of record keeping. Accurate records are crucial for demonstrating compliance in case of an audit. This includes logs for hours of service, maintenance records, and driver qualification files. But what if all of this seems overwhelming? That's where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. As the top online service provider for the transportation industry, we assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Our expertise can help you handle the paperwork and stay compliant without the stress. In conclusion, trucking compliance might seem daunting, but it's essential for running a successful and safe trucking operation. By understanding the basics and seeking help when needed, you can keep your business on track and avoid fines or penalties. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the trucking industry. Remember, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help you every step of the way. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Until next time, drive safe and stay compliant.